Check it out, guys. I just bought a truck. This thing is super nasty. Got a whole hay bale uppull. Check it out. A rat got in here. Has back seats though. Very moldy. Grass growing. Very nasty. I'm gonna give it a quick trash run. I'm gonna pressure wash it. Got all of it out. Now it's time to pressure wash. This is how it looks after pressure wash. Look at this. Pretty nice compared to this. Ooh, like a buildup of sludge and algae. I'm gonna hit this next. Just got this one side. So let's hit another time lapse. Just finished the hood. It's looking pretty good compared to what it was. Got the bumper. And moving on to the side. And we're gonna hit the roof. Got this side done. It's pretty good. Did have a broken mirror here though. It's time to get the bed and the roof. Check it out, guys. Just got this truck done. Cleaned out the entire bed. That's paint. Got a couple stickers I gotta remove though. But I also have to paint these. They're metal, so definitely rusted, but fix this. Overall, I got pretty much all the mold out of here. Only a little bit up on these tiny handrails, which I'm gonna use a steamer for, but overall, it's pretty good now. I love this truck. And guess what? This thing runs, baby. The heater works. Let's test out the lights. Oh, they're on, alright. Oh, yeah. It's getting nice and warm in here. I had it warmed up earlier. But look at that. It's nice. Very nice in here now. Very good. I love this truck. This truck's nice. I gotta go take it somewhere now.